Alright guys, so this is kind of embarrassing. I'm stuck. Well, not really stuck, but I'm not going to move forward and I'm not going to move back. Well, I got to move back, but I'm not going to move forward. And then this is why. So, they want me to go over there and the dock is right over there. So you have to pull straight this way, turn that way to go that way. So I got these buses here, or vans, or whatever the hell you want to call them. I just got as close to that as I could. I got cars over here, and I got that. So, definitely not going over that. And look at them snow piles over there. I mean, hell, that's clear over that car. So, kind of pretty. But now I gotta try to back out of this. And I'm gonna have to call a police officer to shut down the road. And these people over here who double parked terribly make my backup job difficult. Oh, that person's leaving. That would make it a little bit easier. So, yeah. So now I get to have a lot of fun getting out of this mess. The person here told me that trucks come in here all the time. He failed to tell me that they come in day cabs, not sleepers. Very, very important piece of information that he failed to tell me. He told me they just pull right in here and, with a day cab, doable. Sleeper? No. No. Sleeper truck, too big. So now, I got a beautiful mess on my hands. I did not flip it though. Yet. Alright, gotta get out of here.